Get started with the new ChatGPT Team Subscription by logging into your ChatGPT account. Then in the lower left corner, you click Upgrade Plan. The new ChatGPT Team Subscription is packed with additional benefits, including one centralized place to manage your licenses, 100 messages as opposed to 40 per every 3 hours, no training on your data, longer context windows, DPTs just inside your workspace, and much more. So what you want to do here is to click the Upgrade to Team. Then you give your workspace a name, most likely your company name. I fill in andersjensen.org and select Billing Options. Here I can choose between a monthly or an annual plan, and I also need to choose at least 2 seats. That's the requirement of ChatGPT Teams. Then I continue to billing. That will take me to a place where I need to fill in my email and my personal information. That's it. The payment is successful and we can click Continue. So now we need to invite the members to our workspace, that is your employees. So in the emails, you simply just type the emails of the members you want to invite. Remember to not only type in the email, but also click Enter to have that email to be active. Then you can also import from CSV. Say you got like 1,000 employees that you want to handle, simply just import from CSV instead. But I only have 2 members here, so I can just click Next. Here I want to give them a role. I will make myself an owner. That means I got the most privileges. Stine will be a member, and then I can click Send Invites. Now the workspace setup is complete. I can continue to ChatGPT. So here I got a few information and I can click OK, let's go. I can also help ChatGPT a little bit about myself. I work in IT, so I click Continue here. That's it. So if I want to check it, I can go up here to ChatGPT 4 and I can see that I now have 100 messages per 3 hours. I can also see that I have no training on my data. Click on my name down here, click Settings and Beta. Then you want to click Data Controls, and here you can see Chat Training is off. I can also manage my workspace. Here I can see that I have 1 member, that's me. Stine have not joined yet. You will find her in pending invites. That's it. If I at a later point want to add a user, that could be another employee, then I want to go down here to Anders Jensen. I also want to click Manage Workspace. Up here on the green, I will invite them. And here I will type in the email. I will say jan@andersjensen.org and I will click Next. So please remember, now he is a paying member on my team, so I need to pay that. And if I choose annually, I cannot remove him until that year is gone. I can find his name here in the pending invites.